Hi! Did you know that one of the most problematic things about pronunciation is the sound or the schwa sound? If you haven't watched part 1 already, make sure you check that out before you continue. We will talk more about this shortly. Hi, I am Ajit from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary learn-it-together English fluency program. With Capshine, learning English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective, and we promise a whole new you in 6 months or less. So, what is the schwa sound? A quick recap. This is an English vowel sound. This replaces or can take over the sound of many English vowels or all English vowels. It is an sound and it's represented by this or the schwa in phonetics. And of course, this is an unstressed pronunciation. It has relaxed tongue, lips, and jaw when you pronounce it. And of course, it's a quick sound. And all of this makes it a little difficult for non-native speakers to pronounce it right in many words. So let's see how it is represented. So by the way, it can be represented in many of the words where it uses variety of vowels. For example, with or a in sofa, in E in celebrate, in O in carrot, and I in principle. All of these use the schwa sound. So it's not tagged to one letter alone. It can be used instead of any of the vowel words or vowel letters, and this is what makes it a little difficult. Let's look at some examples, and today we'll talk from the letter I. Words that use I but have the schwa sound replacing it instead. For example, pencil. Notice how the sound is there instead of the I. Similarly, horrible, horrible. Notice how the sound replaces the I as well. Similarly, family and easily both use the sound. It doesn't use an I sound. It is not stressed. It is not given preference over the other syllable. It's a soft and free and quick sound. Family, easily, right? Both of these use the schwa sound. You could also replace the ER in some words with the sound. And in fact, that's the right way to pronounce it. For example, father, teacher. Notice how the last two letters are very quiet and very soft. They use the schwa sound. Father, teacher. Similarly, weather and later, both use the schwa sound. Same with I-O letters. For example, nation, information, both use the schwa sound. Action and vision use the schwa sound as well, right? So even though you may be tempted to pronounce the I and O together in a very strong way, they actually use a soft schwa sound instead, the sound. Same applies to some words with OU as well. Flavor, color, humor, and neighbor. Notice how you do not pronounce the OU. You do not say neighbor. No, that's not how you pronounce it. It's neighbor, right? And the reason these words are difficult to pronounce is because we may not have the schwa sound in our own native languages. But once you recognize it, it makes life simple. I hope you found this video useful. I hope to see you pronounce words correctly that use the schwa sound. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification button to not miss videos like these. And of course, do not forget to check out the 30-day free trial with Capshine. You can do this by going to capshine.com or downloading the app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.